Hello, my name is Steve Packer. I'm plant doctor at Moana Nursery on South Virginia. With spring fast approaching, many gardeners are on the hunt for some beautiful blooms that are resilient, colorful, and something that they can add to their garden. And I have one flowering perennial that's my favorite that I think you should add to your collection of colorful flowers. And the name of this perennial is Dianthus. Now, Dianthus takes its name from two Greek words, Dios meaning God, and anthus meaning flower, translated into flower of the gods. And this name is a testament to the beauty and resilience of these flowers that have been cherished and cultivated for hundreds of years. And so let me just tell you a little bit about these flowers here. As you can see them right here, they all have a fringed petal, which makes them look a little bit lacy and beautiful. They come in different colors like white, pink, purple, red, salmon, orange, and a lot of them come in bicolors too, which is really unique. And so that makes it exciting for me because there's always different varieties that they're creating every year that we can utilize in our yards. They have a sweet fragrance. Some of them are more fragrant to others. Some of it's like a sweet or a spicy smell, but that's always a plus when you can get a beautiful flower with a nice fragrance. And they have a long bloom period, which is one thing that I really like is when they do come into bloom, the flowers stay nice and beautiful for weeks before they begin to fade. And then when they do fade, you can always pinch them off and the new ones will come on. And so that's good. And then they're also a low maintenance plant. And so they don't require a whole lot of care. Of course, you got to water them and you got to fertilize them every once in a while. But other than that, they're okay on their own. And so why choose Dianthus for a gift for like maybe Valentine's Day? Well, Dianthus is a symbol of love and affection. And whenever you can give someone a Dianthus like one of these right here that's all packaged in a little wrapping and things like that with a little card, it just provides the opportunity for you to share your love and appreciation for those people that are important in your life. If you do give this as a gift, it can be treated as an indoor plant because it's still winter. I mean, spring is just a few weeks away. And so what many people will do is they'll keep it indoors as a house plant and place it in a real sunny area where it gets some good sun, keep it moist, not too wet, and then give it a little bit of a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks to kind of keep it growing. Because eventually, when spring comes, you're going to go ahead and take these plants that are inside your house, if you want to, and plant them in your garden. Now, they are a perennial, which means they'll come back every year after you get them planted. When you transition, when you take them out of your house, what you want to do is you want to harden them off. That means just take them outside for maybe 2 or 3 hours a day for about a week. And then they're hardened off enough that you can go ahead and plant them in your yard. Again, plant them in a sunny location. Condition the soil with flour and rose conditioner. That kind of helps improve the soil structure and makes it easier for the plant to grow. Fertilize it with organic, slow-release fertilizer. Just keep it moist, not overly wet. And the most important thing, talk to them every day. Plants love humans. Whenever you talk to them, you give off a little bit of carbon dioxide that they take in, and then they give you oxygen. We all know that, but just something to keep in mind. If you do that, you're going to be able to enjoy all of these flowers, in the wintertime before spring comes. You can enjoy them indoors, and then you can take them outdoors and enjoy that lasting bloom throughout the rest of the summer. Now, February ushers in a time of new beginnings to present a flower like this. Moana Nursery wants to give you that opportunity to share these beautiful flowers with those you love. Keep in mind that Moana Nursery does a lot of growing. We have some greenhouses in Minden, and we locally grow a lot of our plants that we sell here, including these Dianthus. So come in when you can and get yourself one of these colorful Dianthus. They As you can see here, they come in many different colors and many different names like I Love You and a few other things. And I think you'll be happy that you did it. So hope to see you soon. If you have any questions about these plants or any kind of questions, please contact Moana Nursery, and we can help you get your plants together for a wonderful February, especially when it comes to giving the perfect gift.